Kwa kanyo to ng'iyane ni piny owacho yango ni koro gibiro kungo omenda ma sitima maromo siling 300,000 dwe ka dwe tok gero solar panels e od ang'ech ma Kisumu Maximum. Jambetri mar EU Her Excellency Henrietta Geiger mano oholo chenro makamano ne owacho ni chieng' kata solar ni biro konyo e kelo dongruok kuonde twech mapacho kaendi kendo duoko piny omenda ma gitiyo godo kichulo sitima makoro ibiro ketie konyo e yalo buche manie doho. Chenro gero sola makamano oyang ni okawo omenda maromo siling milion 5.9.
By use of solar, it means that we can even 10x the production capacity. Already by use of this system, this project plant, we are saving 70% of our electricity costs. And in fact, we are just in discussion to see how we can increase that capacity and save 100%. What are we saving by that? With 100% savings or 70 to 100% saving in electricity cost, it means also that this project that is also going to run the water project, is going to run the industry, is going to run the virtual courts, will see to it that we also save on fuel.
We have invested as part of this program heavily into digitizing the entire justice chain, but also in greening the justice chain. And of course, corrections is part of the justice chain and should benefit in equal measure of these projects. So to digitize and to solarize has improved access, has improved justice and rapidity of the entire system.
It's also an interesting example of addressing climate change and using solar power. And I think this is quite unique because normally we talk about these things in different contexts, but certainly not in a context of a prison system and a prison where we are.